Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Kukai Wallet support. Kukai Wallet is a popular Tezos wallet, but sometimes you may face issues like login errors, transaction problems, or the wallet not opening. And if you're looking for a safe and official way to get help, this video will show you how to contact Kukai Wallet support using email. And let's begin. So first what you have to do is you need to open to your Kukai Wallet in your app. If you do not have a Kukai Wallet yet, you can go to your Play Store or the App Store. You can download it from there as well. And after that, in the top left, we can find there's a three-line icon. Select to this three-line icon, and over here, once you open to this, you can find this feedback and support here just below the security, and this opens to a Kukai Wallet support email. In the field, you can type the official Kukai Wallet support email. This is the official email to reach the Kukai Wallet support team. In the subject line, write something like your issue, transaction pending, or Kukai Wallet not working, whatever your issue is. And in this email body, you can explain what problem you're facing, when the issue started, which device or the browser you're using. And you can also attach screenshot to help them understand your issue better. And never share the recovery phrase, private keys, or the password. And that is it. This is the official and safest way to connect to the Kukai Wallet support. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.